Welcome to Real Channel Automotive, a place to help you understand the world of automotive mobility. Please subscribe our channel for more updates. The Honda N1 is a cute, retro-styled Kei-class car available in Japan. The design specifically evokes N360, the brand's first passenger car. A new Style Plus Urban Special Edition adds some luxury and sophistication to the little machine. On the outside, the Style Plus Urban Edition has a chrome border around the grille. The shiny finish contrasts with the gloss black section on the upper nose that connects to the headlights. The mirror caps and door handles are also black. The body is available in garden green metallic, platinum white pearl, Meteoroid Gray Metallic, and Premium Ivory Pearl II flame red. It rides on 14-inch steel wheels with a hubcap that has a 3-spoke knockoff embossed in the center. Inside, the upholstery is a mix of the colors tan and charcoal, in addition to gray stitching. The dashboard features a fox wood panel. As a smaller tweak, the lower spoke of the steering wheel has metallic trim. If buyers opt for the all-wheel drive layout, this edition comes with heated seats too. The Style Plus Urban Edition uses a 660cc naturally aspirated 3-cylinder engine that attaches to a CVT. The front-wheel drive version costs $12,234 at current exchange rates, and the all-wheel drive model is $13,212. Honda gave the N1 lineup a major update in 2020 and added the sporty RS trim at that time. That model gets a turbocharged version of the 660cc 3-cylinder, making 63 horsepower and just 77 pound-feet of torque. This model is available with a 6-speed manual in addition to the CVT. It comes exclusively in front-wheel drive. Other tweaks include LED fog lights, black 15-inch wheels, and leather upholstery on the gearshift and steering wheel. In 2021, Honda built the one-off N1 Kei-climb as a concept version for an hill climb racing version of the RS. The company left the powertrain alone but made other big changes. The wheelbase was longer and the track was wider. The hood, front bumper, grille, and rear splitter were carbon fiber.